How to use Authenticator app to protect your accounts. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type in the Microsoft 365 login page URL. Press Enter to navigate to the login page. On the Microsoft 365 login page, enter your email address or username associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button. Enter your password in the provided field. Make sure you enter the correct password associated with your account. If you are prompted to more information required, click Next. To continue setting up the Microsoft Authenticator, click Next. Select Next once again to proceed. This will pop up to scan the QR code on your screen. To scan the QR code, you need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. For iOS users, open the App Store. Search for Microsoft Authenticator and install. Once installation is completed, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. On Add Account, select Work and School Account. Select Scan a QR code and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. The account will be added to your Microsoft Authenticator app. After scanning the QR code, click Next. Microsoft will ask you to enter the 6-digit code displayed on your Microsoft Authenticator app. Open your completed setup account on Microsoft Authenticator and typed in the code shown. If the code is correct, it will proceed to confirmation of successfully set up the Authenticator app. You will be automatically redirected to your Microsoft account. To sign out of Microsoft 365, look for your account profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the application window. Click on it to open the account menu. In the account menu, you should see a sign out. Click on it. After following these steps, you will be signed out of Microsoft 365, and you'll need to sign in again if you want to access your account and its associated applications. Thanks for watching.